Hello everybody, my name is Jake Rotunno from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our 2025 Sabre 45 Salon Express. Come on aboard. Our Sabre 45 is finished in sport yacht white with this beautifully decorated full teak cockpit. Our Sabre 45 is equipped with the hydraulic swim platform with the teak as well as dinghy cleats. And as you board the boat, you have port and starboard gate entries that give you access to your beautiful cockpit with this wonderful seating arrangement and a gorgeous teak table. It's a great space for entertaining underway or at the dock, and enjoying a cocktail with your friends and family, or spending a nice day out on the water. This boat is also equipped with the Shore Shade sunshade that's going to give you nice coverage when you're out here hanging out on the back of your boat. As we get ready to enter the salon here, you'll notice that we have this beautiful window that opens up to really help open up the salon to your cockpit and make your guests feel like you're all in the same spot, and just lets the air flow throughout the boat nicely. As you enter in the salon of the 45, you're immediately greeted by Sabre's beautiful woodwork and finishing with their American cherry. Just gives you a nice warm and cozy feeling. You have this wonderful seating arrangement here. It's going to be a great space for everybody to gather together and just have a wonderful time, have your meals, and just share good stories and memories together. Below the deck of the salon here, we have this beautiful utility/storage space, which is going to give you your separate washer and dryer, as well as additional deep freezer. Forward of your salon is your helm, are greeted by these beautiful twin Stid helm chairs and your Garmin glass bridge system. This Sabre 45 is equipped with Sabre's newest feature, which is their Sabre Connect digital switching, which is going to give you the availability to operate some of the boat's features and lights and switching from your cell phone as well as the iPad or Garmin screens. Sitting here up at the helm, you have your Volvo Penta joystick system, which is in a great position to be able to sit here at the helm and operate the boat. Right next to you, you have your helm door, which gives you access to the starboard side of the boat, which is going to be helpful when you're docking and being able to maneuver the boat and get a good eye on what you're doing. Up here you have your Volvo Penta throttles, which incorporate the Volvo Penta interceptors for your trim tab, which are automatically going to control your pitch and roll for your boat. This Sabre 45 is equipped with this gorgeous large electric sunroof that's going to help open up the boat and get some nice natural airflow. In your salon you have this TV that stows away beautifully, so it gives you a nice clean look when she's stowed away. As you step down, you will find that you have a well-appointed galley here, which has plenty of storage, cabinetry. You have your conventional microwave, additional freezer, as well as cooktop. Forward of our galley is your first stateroom here. This is going to be your guest stateroom. That's appointed with two twin beds that can be slid over to make one full-size bed. Your starboard head here is going to be your day-use head, as well as your head for your guest room that has its own entry point from the guest room. Moving forward, we are in your forward master stateroom, which has got this beautiful island berth with plenty of storage surrounding you, as well as this gorgeous stand-up shower and head. This Sabre 45 is powered by twin Volvo Penta IPS 650s. Down in the engine room, you have your Seakeeper 6, our inverter battery bank system, and your gen set back here, as well as the reversal oil change system. Once again, my name is Jake Rotunno from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. Thank you for taking a closer look at our 2025 Sabre 45 Salon Express. This boat is available with a list price of $1.7 million. Please contact Sandy Hook Yacht Sales for more information.